Welcome back to my channel. My name is Devonna Nicole. Thank you for joining me again with another unboxing. Today I am unboxing my Boxy Charm Premium box. I could not wait for this box to come. This box is for July 2021 and it has the takeover with Anastasia Beverly Hills. Hey guys, if you are new to my channel, thank you and welcome. I do subscription unboxing, lifestyle boxes, different beauty products, tools, and home decor. This month we are unboxing the July 2021 premium box. This is a $35 a month subscription with Boxy Charm. This box is supposed to have a minimum of value of $175. I have tried a few of Anastasia Beverly Hills products before in the past. I haven't had a chance to try that many, so I was really excited when I heard the takeover was coming for this month's box. So let's get into it. When you first open it up, this is what I see. You can see all the purple in here with the Boxy Charm and Norvina collaboration for the inside of the box. And we have our little card here. So Norvina, Anastasia, Beverly Hills. Okay, so I have version C21072669-PM, which is for premium. So we're going to get right into this box without any further delay. Ooh, so I have the Anastasia. This is the Shimmering Body Oil. This is a full-size product. It has a $38 value. Wow. So the Shimmering Body Oil is a luxe lightweight body oil that gives skin a shimmering, sun-kissed glow. And this is the product in a bottle. Let's shake it up a bit. It has been sitting in here. And that's what it looks like. This rich, luxurious formula leaves skin with a touchless, silk, soft feel. It features delicate coconut, vanilla scent, and has sparkly glitter that reflects luminously on the skin, giving it a golden glow. So you shake it before you use it. Let's try it out. And we're going to spray it on me a bit. Oh, it does sparkle a lot. It sparkles a lot. So that's one for us, and that has a value of $38, guys, for the Shimmering Body Oil. The next product I'm pulling out is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Setting Powder. And this is another full-size product. The setting powder value is at $38. It's supposed to brighten and set makeup in place with loose setting powder. It's lightweight, super fine powder formula, goes on smoothly and absorbs oil, minimize shine, and leaves you with a flawless matte finish. So let's pop it out the box and see what it looks like. Okay, so I have the golden orange setting powder. And they have a little sticker in here so I don't have to spill any on myself like I normally would do. So, and you can see on the back, this the orange. Cool. Now, I believe I did pick the color for the setting powder because I didn't want anything that was translucent. I just wanted something kind of had like a little bit of a tone to it with the orange tone. So, cool. Now these setting powders I'm still learning how to use because sometimes I don't see the point. But I am a shiny girl, so if it works, it'll have to go in the T-zone. This is where I generally am super, super shiny. So if they can map me out and have me not looking shiny, that's uber great, especially for the summertime when we have more oil on our skin. So that's super dope. The next thing I have is a loose highlighter by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's a shimmering loose highlighter power with highly reflective iridescent pearls that deliver an intense sparkly payoff. This easy to blend formula has a soft velvety ABH glow, leaves your skin with a silky finish. So let's take it out of here. I have Peach Fizz is what's listed on the box. So let's take that out. highlighting. So this is the packaging. Very pretty. Very, very pretty, guys. Love it. And they do have like a little tab in here so that you're not, let me see if I can get some of this out so I can show you. Let's see what this looks like. Oh wow. Alright guys, I did get it to come out. This is what we have here. Wow. And I'm going to pull it back just a little bit so you can see. Look at the intense color here. Very much of an intense orange. You clearly don't need a lot. Just a little. Because you're really going to be popping with this. Wow. Very highlighted. Wow. That's a nice little shimmer though. For a very, very nice. Cool. All right. We're moving along. Let's go. So the next thing we have is, and guys, this highlighting powder did have a value of $25 for this box. So that's what that was. I have a tinted brow gel is my next product from Anastasia, Beverly Hills. And this brow gel is valued at $22. It's a lightweight gel that sets your brows. It has with a flexible hold and tinted and matte finish. Fully pigmented formula. Features light reflecting pearls that create a natural looking dimension for your finished brow. So I have color blonde. That's a problem because sis can't use blonde. So somebody that I know that is blonde will have to get this. That's disappointing. It's very, very disappointing. Blonde, really? Like, do y'all look at our profile at all? Blonde, really? Nope. So guys, the next product that I have here is going to be a liquid lipstick. And this color is Heathers is the color. And this is a full-size product. The lipstick has a value of $20. And guys, oh yeah, I forgot. This has a value. This brow gel that I can't use in the color blonde has a value of $22. I'm so annoyed by that. Blonde. Really? Blonde? Do I like I'm blonde? In any kind of way? Nope. So guys, this is the lipstick that we received. This is a full-size product. Let's see. Trying to figure out where I can put this to show you. So guys, this is how the color comes out for the lipstick. And this is the color. It's a very nice deep pigmented red. It actually came out better looking than it actually looks in this tube. So I can't wait to use this one. And again, the lipstick has a value of $20. And this is a liquid lipstick that has full pigmented lip formula that dries down to a weightless matte finish for smudge proof wearability and long lasting colors. That's a plus all day. So I'm excited about that one. We need those mattes that stay on your lips because you know. So our last product is in here. And I know this is the palette, but they really did wrap it up nicely so it doesn't break up. So let's pop this out. So look at here, guys. It's beautiful. I got the purple one. I did get to choose my color, by the way. And I did choose this purple one. Pro Pigmented palette, volume 1. This is Anastasia's palette. It costs $60. Woo! It's a professional grade artistry palette featuring 25 deluxe size high performance shades with maximum payoff. Wow. So I've never tried the eyeshadow. I heard some of the ones are, you have to be careful about what colors you put around your eyes. So let's take a look at this palette. So very pretty. I love how it comes. Really, really nice. And it says certain colors on here, they tell you is not intended to be used around a immediate eye area. And I heard that's because in case some people have a reaction or some sort. But you know, I don't listen to people, so I'll probably just use it around my eye area like they told me. Like they gave us a warning of what not to do. So I'm not listening. I'm not listening. Oh, this is nice. Oh, nice big mirror. Awesome. So let me fold this mirror down. So, oh, I can't. All right, so this is what I'll do. I am going to do it like this so you guys can actually take a look at all these beautiful colors. This is a nice looking palette. I love the pops of color. These are beautiful. You can create so many different looks. This is like a palette. You could just take with you on vacation. You don't need any other palette to go with you. And you have so many awesome looks in one palette. There's so much that you can do with this palette. I am super excited about this palette. Oh my god, this thing is beautiful. These are beautiful colors. So guys, this was a super dope box. We got the makeup palette, dope colors, dope size, very much worth the money. This palette is cost $60 for this palette. This box has already paid for this palette already. And you got your loose setting powder to go with it. You got brow gel that I can't use because it's the wrong daggone color. We got lipstick. We got the loose highlighter. And we have the shimmering body oil. This was dope. Like, this is the only really skincare product in the whole box. The whole box was pure makeup. That is so dope. Like, you could create so many dope looks out of what was in this box. I am super excited and pleased with this box. Well worth my $35. I hope any of you that picked up this box are extremely excited as I am. I got my money's worth. Very happy. I'm a happy camper right now. Let me know what you guys liked out of the box. If there's something you want me to try, you want me to play in the palette a little bit with the eyeshadows and come back and give you a little something, let me know, let me know, let me know. But I can't wait to use it. I can't wait to use it. Oh, okay. I can't wait to use it. So guys, let me know what you thought about this box. Hit me up in the comments if you got the same products or some things in my box are different from yours. Let me know. Let's talk about it. But this was a dope box. Uber pleased with this box. I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please pop in and watch some of my other unboxings. And I will see you next time. Bye everybody. Got my new palette. Got my new palette. This was so dope. So dope. So dope. So dope.